Henry. Hey, baby. You're getting ready to move, aren't you? Look at you go. Look at you go. Look at you. I'm recording this in English as requested by several people so that everyone knows what I'm saying. So, Henry. Look. Ah, wait, where you going? Whoa, roll over. Roll back over, Henry. Henry. Hey. What are you doing? Are you going to roll back over? Come on. Do it. Do it. You don't want to? Okay. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get it, get it, get it. Go. Go. Go, go, go. Come on. Oh. Almost. You have to stick that arm out. That's the tactic here. Come on, Henry. Come on, big Buddha belly. Oh, well, you're going the other way now. Which way are you going to go? Henry. Which way are you going to go? Skinny butt. Oh, there you go. Gotta get that arm out of the way. Gotta get that arm out of the way. Great job. Bravo. Bravo, bravissimo, mi amor. Que bueno. Good job. Oh, don't roll back over. Yeah, go, go, go. Push it up, push it up. Push it up, push it up, push it up. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at you go. Look at you go. Push it up, push it up. You gotta push yourself up. You gotta push yourself up. On those hands. You gotta get up on those hands. Yeah, look at you. Look at you go. Mommy's gonna come and help you. Well, you can't see it from here. Hey, hey. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. What are you doing? What you doing? Huh? Here. You gotta get up on your little chest. Push up your arms. Push him up. Push him up. Go, go, go. Alright, the camera's about to run out. Henry. Hey. Say bye-bye. He's like, whatever.